To display number on the left side, you can set number in your Vimrc or init.vim. That will display the line number of the file. You can also set the width of the number with set number width. That will change the padding on the left. To turn it off, set no number. Another option is relative number. Instead of displaying the line number of the file you're editing, it displays a number relative to the current position of your cursor. So the line that you're on will be 0, one line up and down will be 1 and 2 and so on. With this numbering, it is easy to jump around the window. If you see a line that you want to jump to, you can see the number on the left, and it is 8. You can press 8J or 8K. Similarly, to turn it off, no relative number. If you like the relative number, but you will still want to see the current line number of the file, then you can turn both of them on. With that, instead of displaying 0, it will display the current line number of the file, but all of the other lines will remain relative numbering.